Hi to everyone and welcome. If you want to build a stunning landing page that will help your business to bring new customers, that video will be handy for you. So in this video, I want to provide you with the steps that you need to take to make your own landing page on the platform that's called Leadpages, and our team using this fantastic and very powerful tool every time for build pages for ourselves and build the pages for our clients. And that's why I want to share it with you. And before I've started to show you the step-by-step tutorial of how to build a web page, landing page using this fantastic platform, I want to say that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, so you can easily find that link. And using that link, you can get access to Leadpages platform with a big discount for our subscribers, for our friends. So join. I will show you all the editing features of this interesting and very powerful tool. And in the end of this video, you will have an idea of how to build your own landing page that will help you grow your business. So let's jump to the dashboard of this interesting and very So let's jump to dashboard of Leadpages straight right now. Okay, here we go. That's how it looks. You need to press the create new landing page. You can build a website or landing page. Today in this video, we're going to talk about the landing page, but actually the editing features are pretty the same. And you can find tons of templates that are already pre-made. Here in the list, you have the page type, and you need to be as specific as possible to find the correct template that will be already built for your purposes, and you just need to change some things, some pictures, videos, and text. And it will save you tons of time and tons of efforts to build this all. For example, you can use the search right here. For example, yoga. Let's preview this one. Okay, cool. That's pretty cool. That's amazing. And I believe that it will work. Let's use this template, and I will show you the step-by-step things of how you can edit the things, how you can move things, and how you can get the landing page that you want in the order that you want, because it's pretty simple and easy, and that's pretty drag and drop. First of all, you need to give your page a name. In that case, you will easily find that in the list of your projects. Okay, we have a couple buttons right here. Let's discover all of them. Layout. In this button, you can see what are the sections of your web page, of your landing page. The hero, quote, features, mini CTA, class, and so on and so on. You can move them around here. You can actually delete them, remove, duplicate, make it visible or invisible, and with this little arrow button, you can see what contains in this section, in this specific sections. You see there's row 1, row 2, and actually that's it. And straight from here, you can add a section. This is the same thing what you can see here in the sections. There are pre-made sections that are already available for you just to drag and drop, or to use them as blank templates. For example, we're gonna add this one in the way like this, or you can use it in the way like this. And the blue boxes is the place where you can put this this strip with some ready pre-built sections inside of it. Okay, so you can drag and drop widgets here to get started. In the widgets button, you see all the things that you can add to your layout, to your page, text, image and text, video, image, button, form, line and spacers, and so on. Actually, any landing page contains pictures, videos, backgrounds, text, and interactive elements like buttons and forms to interact with the visitor and to interact with your potential customer. Actually, the purpose of any landing page is to get information, to give some value, big value, for exchange to information, name and email address of your visitor, and you after you get this information, you can work with that information. You can integrate it with your email marketing provider. I will show you how to do that. And after that, you using your sales funnel and you warming up your audience. Actually, if you're familiar to online marketing, that makes sense. If not, you should probably find out more information about the sales funnels and the whole process. But if you want to build a landing page, that means that you interested in that issue, and that video is just for you. Okay, styles. I want to show you the styles. You see the font styles, page background, page width, favicon, and custom CSS. Font styles. Let's go up here. For example, headline font. You can change it straight from here and all the headlines will be changed instantly for entire page. The text font, the same. We don't actually have the countdown, so that's not important for the moment, but you get an idea. Let's jump to the section and I will show you how to edit the section. We saw that there are tons of sections right here in the layout, and we have some many things, and actually this is pretty difficult layout for simple landing page. Okay, but if you have a tons of information, you have tons of benefits that you want to show to your visitors, that's okay, and you can build everything that you want with all those pictures, with all those tags, with all those information that you want to provide to your potential customer, the testimonials and the call to actions. Actually, you need to make from 2 up to 7 call to actions on your entire page. But if the page is small, and actually the main purpose, as I told you already, is to get information, to get name and email from your visitor. That's why you can build a small page. But as you see, there are elements when you're hovering the picture. When you're hovering this section, you see that it contains some things. As I told you, there are images, text, and interactive elements, and that's pretty it. When you press on this small 3 dots button, you can go to Edit Section Settings, Add Section Buffer below, Duplicate, Copy or Delete. Let's jump to Edit Section Settings, and you see that there's a background image that you see right here, and there's a color here. I'm gonna change an image to image that suits to yoga. You can actually use the images that you already uploaded. You can buy premium images straight from the platform right here. It's about $8 per picture. It's not cheap, but there are tons of professional and cool and nice quality pictures that you can use to your web page, website, or landing page if you don't have your own content, if you didn't prepare it. Or you can select the file, you can upload the file from your computer, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, the picture uploaded. Now I'm just changing it, and you see that the background is white and the text is white color, and that's why I want to apply the image color overlay. That's very important thing and very important feature. If you want to use this, it's gonna be handy for you. You can add a color. For example, I want it to be black totally, and you see the pictures changed. We changed the opacity a little bit brighter, maybe a little more transparent. Yeah, cool. You see the text is readable, pretty, and everything is okay, and everything is visible, and the picture is still there. I don't need this one picture here. I will delete it. You see the text. The text is pretty here. I'm gonna delete it also. And of course, you can change all the settings here. Interesting feature here is to change the size of this entire block, of this section, to make it bigger or a little bit smaller. Or it can be automatically, it will count all the spacers here. But I want it to be big because this is the first section that you'll see on your device when you're gonna hover the website. You can upload your own image with PNG and it's gonna be transparent, as in this case. How to edit the text, actually, that's an interesting question, and I will show it to you. Just double click it, you highlight it all. We changed the font in the styles, I showed you already, but you can make it right here, and you can change font to any that you want, and you can change the style. The jumbo, for example, I want it to be bigger, the size of it, the spacing. Maybe I want to make it bold, and that looks pretty interesting. Of course, the text, I will not change the text. It's not necessary for this case. Just showing you the main editing features, and you'll figure out, because nobody except you knows how to describe your business better. That's why probably you know which tags directly you will use to your landing page. For example, it can be yoga, or it can be bakery, or whatever business do you have. Now, of course, the text need to be catchy, the text need to be powerful, and you need to sell with this text. Of course, you need to apply the call to actions. But I'm just showing you in this video, I'm just showing you the main editing features, and you will figure out by yourself how you can do that. It's pretty unreadable. Let's make it bigger. Let's make it bold also. Let's change the font. I suggest you not to use more than 2 fonts for entire page, and not more than 3 colors if you not familiar, if you're not pretty familiar with the web design. So this small advice will help you to make your entire page look balanced and more professional. Okay, jump in next, the buttons. This is actually most important thing, most important part of this video, because you need to apply the buttons, and that's the way how your visitors will interact with your landing page. That's why you need to edit the button itself. How to edit the text is pretty understandable. We'll show you the styles. This is very cool. I like this square, rounded, or circular. In this rounded, you see you can change the shape of the corners. It can be like a little bit like that. But I like to use the square. It looks modern. And line. Yeah. That's pretty minimal, that's pretty efficient, and that looks absolutely amazing. I like this style, I like this way, but the most important thing, you need to edit the click event. What does it mean? What's gonna happen when somebody will press the button, actually press the button? You apply the call to actions like book now, join us, read more, find out more, get your first test trial period, and so on. And what's gonna happen when somebody will press the button? You have a list of options here. You can open a calendar pop-up, you can open the pop-up, and that's what I'm suggesting you to do. Jump to page section, for example, like read more, and the about section, if you have it. The page will scroll down to about section automatically, link to landing page for other landing page that you can build also right here, or a link to external web page. For example, if you're selling something, that can be handy if you making the cross sales or up sales and so on. I'm using the pop-up, and let's just edit the pop-up that we have here. You see there's a countdown. I want to delete it. And you see the body, the same things happening with this 3 button, edit section settings, body, and we see the section style, row, form container. I want to change this image. I don't like it. We can apply some kind of that. For example, we can change the text color for black one, and that looks pretty great. Maybe we're gonna use this color overlay, and in that case, color can be white. Okay, that's cool. And the same thing, what's gonna happen with this button when somebody will press the next button? Just you see that there's a pop-up and somebody will fill up this form, and here you can edit your form. First one is integrations, and that's the most important part of this video. How you will get notifications about the new clients. You can use the lead notifications built into this platform, and you will get new mail in your email box, or you can add an integration. And if you have some external provider of email marketing like MailChimp, GetResponse, yeah, you see all of them here, ActiveCampaign, Aweber, ConvertKit, and so on and so on. And if you don't have them, you can integrate everything with the Zapier, and that's a very powerful tool, an interesting tool. If you don't know what it is, you definitely need to check this very powerful tool, the Zapier. For example, you can apply the Google Sheets, and all the new customers will jump in straight to your Google Sheets. Yeah, cool. Well, actually, it's pretty enough to get notifications to your inbox. But if you have like hundreds of new customers, 100 new leads, definitely you need to sort them, you need to automate all this process, and that's why you probably may need the email marketing provider. So the second one is a fields, email and first name. This is pretty enough. With these small arrows you can place all these things as you want, or you can add a field like city, common, postal code if you have in different cities, business in different cities, physical business in different cities. Of course, it's important. Last name, state, postal code, so any information that you need. But in most cases, first name and email, it's pretty enough. And actions, what's gonna happen when somebody will actually press this button and send you the information? It will be the default landing page thank you page, as I'm using in most cases, or it's landing page, external URL, or remaining page. You just need to check all of this, and that's pretty cool. Actually, that's it. The same editing features you can use, you can apply to all the blocks in your entire page, all the colors of the text, all the moving things. If you need to add some things, just go into widgets, and for example, I want to show the video first, and I will just drag and drop it in all these blue boxes. If you drop it to this spot, it will be on the left hand. If you drop it to this spot, it's gonna be right here, and that's pretty cool and amazing. You can place it here, for example, and so on. The things are moving around, and you can get the idea of how to move things. And here, this interesting line, you can drag and move these things to reorder your elements that are, and you see it's changing the shape of this block that was straight here and pre-built here. That's actually all you need to know to use all these blocks, all these sections. If you have inactive button, it will be like that with a red color, and you need to add the click event, and you need to check first before you go live with your landing page. You need to check all the buttons. Definitely you want them to be active. I showed you the core things of how to move, how to add, and how to manage the things. And let's jump to settings. This is very important. Also, there's SEO. Definitely you need your website to be visible to search engine machines. And there's SEO, page title, page description, keywords, and so on. Social, if you want to share your link to your page in some social media platforms like Facebook or Pinterest, the picture will be like that. It's pretty other shape of everything that you see here on your landing page. And analytics, Google Analytics tracking ID, and here you can apply your pixel from Facebook and so on, and you need to check these things before you go live. So that's pretty it. Everything that you want to add lays here in this widget button, and there's progress bar, social like, social share, and it's just drag and drop features. Your text, yeah, how to manage the text I showed you, how to delete things I showed you, how to move things I also showed you, and you can apply them to any this blue button. You can move this around to make it that shape. You can undo actions that you just made if you mess something up. That can be very handy. And that's pretty it. There are sections, there are pre-built sections like about, call to action, contact us, FAQs, features and services, hero logos, plans and pricing. And actually you need to have the hero section like hello, that's us and we making some kind of business, yeah. You bring in some value like find balance, harmony and energy, or buy one get one free, yeah, you getting the idea. Then you describe in your business with the benefits, for example, and you applying the call to actions like choose your class and start today, okay, the button, and that's it. And in the footer you have all this information about all rights reserved, your privacy policy and so on, and the contact information, how to get in touch with your business. Of course, you can delete all these blocks that you don't need, that you don't want. And that's pretty it. Those are the core knowledges that you will use to build your own landing page, simple or big, difficult. The editing features are the same. And that's what I wanted to show you. And that's pretty user-friendly. Absolutely, is it all the drag and drop features, so you can build your own web page, your own landing page, or your own website less than like an hour, and that's a great result, and that's a very powerful tool to get your ideas go live. Before I'll say goodbye, I want to remind you that we left the link in the description panel of this video, and if you want to try to build your own landing page, definitely you need to use that link, because in that case you will get access to the Leadpages platform with a big discount for our friends. So use that opportunity to save some money and to grow your business, to build your own landing page. Hope this was useful for you. Hope this all makes sense. If you have some questions, you always can ask those in the comment section of this video, and I appreciate that you watched this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, and I wish you good luck in a site building experience. See you in the next video. Bye.